Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a young man named Ammon. He was talented, full of energy, and his heart was overflowing with dreams. But there was one problem. He didn't know what to focus on. Every day, Ammon started something new. One day, he wanted to be a farmer, the next, a shopkeeper, and a week later, a teacher. He worked hard, yes, but inside, he felt like he was running in circles. Busy, but going nowhere. One evening, tired, confused, and on the edge of giving up, Ammon went to visit the wisest man in the village, Guru Arvand. Guruji, I want to do something great with my life, but I feel lost. I try everything, but nothing seems to work. Please, guide me, Ammon said, respectful. Guru Arvand looked at him kindly and smiled. My child, he said, you're like a boat, sailing without a compass. Let me tell you a story. Years ago, the guru began. There was a boy named Dev, just like you, full of energy, full of dreams, but completely lost in confusion. One day, a traveler gave him a gift, a simple notebook, and he said, write your goal, break it into steps, follow one step each day. Dev laughed at first. Could a notebook really change his life? But something inside him said, try. So he wrote one clear goal, become a successful carpenter. Then he broke it down. Step 1, learn the skill. Step 2, save for tools. Step 3, build simple furniture. Step 4, find buyers every morning. Dev read his goal every night. He wrote what he had done. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. And slowly, Dev changed. His energy had direction, his focus had purpose, and his actions began to bear fruit. 1 year later, he opened a small workshop. 2 years later, people from nearby villages came to buy his furniture. And in 5 years, he was teaching others, helping lost boys find their path, just as he once had. Ammon sat in silence, eyes wide, heart open. So, just writing a goal and following small steps every day can change everything? Guru Arvand nodded. Yes, my son. A goal gives your energy, direction. Without it, even the hardest effort gets scattered. But with it, your actions become powerful. Guru Arvand continued, guiding. Remember 3 golden rules. 1, make your goal clear. 2, break it into small steps. 3, review and adjust, because life always changes. That night, Ammon went home. He sat quietly at his desk, picked up a notebook, and wrote, my goal, start a vegetable business. He broke it down. Learn from experienced farmers. Save money. Find a good market stall. Treat every customer with respect every day. He focused on just one step. He woke up early, worked with honesty, and smiled at everyone who came to buy. People began to notice. They didn't just come for vegetables. They came for Ammon's spirit. Years passed, and Ammon became one of the most successful young businessmen in the region. Set one goal. Take one small step every day. That's how you build a better life, Ammon said, humbly confident. Without a clear goal, your effort goes to waste. But with purpose, direction, and daily effort, success follows. Start small. Stay focused. Keep going. That is how you change your story.